This is ANYCUBIC's water washable resin in gray color. I would say this is a more beginner friendly resin since you won't need alcohol to wash your prints. And there is a trade-off to that though, which I will go over in a second here. It's still a great resin, it's just a little limited. Here's an example of a very simple print, not a ton of detail. But as you can see, it does very well with large, smooth surfaces and makes nice sharp points. And it does well with the small texture details on the Santa's hat. And here's a more intricate example. And as you can see, it does very well with small details and intricate patterns. Prints very nicely. And now the trade-off I was talking about was durability. It's a little more brittle than standard resin, as you can see here. Now it's not completely weak, like this small piece here is very strong by itself, but these smaller details can break off of these larger pieces fairly easy, or at least easier than standard resins. So I would say this is a really good resin for display pieces or figures you just want to paint and stick on a shelf somewhere. But it's probably not the best for structural pieces or pieces that are going to get played with and moved around a lot, like miniatures for example. But it's still a great beginner resin.